Good evening. Myself Ramasubramanian. Currently, I'm pursuing my final year CSC in National Engineering College affiliated to University Chennai. I have done a project titled Autism Spectrum Disorder Classification through Machine Learning. We have four authors. Our paper ID is 2312034 under the category of UG. These are my presentation framework. They are abstract, introduction, literature review, methodology, experiment, analysis or stimulation, etc. Results and discussion, and then conclusion. Let's see the abstract of our project. Mainly, the main abstract of our project is autism spectrum disorder is a complex neurodevelopmental condition that affects millions of individuals worldwide. Worldwide peoples. Early detection and intervention play a pivotal role in improving the lives of those peoples on the autism spectrum. So mainly this project introduces novel approach to address this critical challenge by harnessing the power of machine learning. So we have present a user-friendly web-based system that leverages the random forest algorithm to predict the autism spectrum disorder accurately directed by its the responses to carefully designed set of diagnostic questions. The system prioritized early diagnosis, providing a valuable tool for parents, caregivers, and healthcare professionals to assess the likelihood of ASD in children and individuals. Um by bridging the gap between technology and healthcare, this project aims to contribute to early intervention, improved outcomes, and a brighter future for individuals with ASD and their families. The short introduction of a project was autism spectrum disorder is a complex neurodevelopment conditions that affects millions of individuals worldwide. It is characterized by a wide range of symptoms and behaviors, often manifesting in early childhood, and presents unique challenges for diagnosis and intervention. Timely detection of ASD is of paramount importance as it allows for early tailored interventions that can significantly improve developmental outcomes and the overall quality of life for affected individuals and their families too. The problem definitions was the early stage of autism spectrum disorder was find out by the of our web designed web page by asking 10 questions. The question was answered by the parents of the affected affected children or affected patients of their parents want to answer the 10 questionnaires. According to the 10 questionnaires answers, we have to predict we are there to predict that the person is having autism spectrum disorder or not. The main problem statement was to detect the autism spectrum disorder person who is having or not. That is, however, the existing methods for autism diagnosis are often time consuming, resource intensive, and may result in delayed intervention. To address this challenge, our project aims to develop a machine learning based system that can accurately and efficiently detect the presence of ASD in individuals, particularly in young children. Then we can take a review from the literature. One of the literature is Nabila Zaman, the author of literature. In this literature, they have addresses the complexity of diagnosing or ASD, highlighting the absence of specific medical test for ASD and the behavioral observation often leading to late diagnosis. The study of emphasis critical importance of early detection and purpose development of a system capable of diagnosing ASD early. Then this is the methodology of a project. We have trained the dataset. The dataset was pre-processed, like removal of noises, missing values, and encoding and normalize the given datasets to feature engineering, and then the data will be processed and classified into the algorithm. Like we have classified the dataset using random forest algorithm, so it was divided into ASD is there or not. If yes means it will fix the model and result will publish. If no means it will fix model and apply the project. The already existing system was autism screen platform, user-friendly interface, privacy measures, and validation. These are the existing systems of our project. Proposed systems. There are nearly nine systems for our project. The first one was data collection and preparation was first, and then exploratory data analysis, that is EDA, and then model selection development, then model evaluation and validation, and interpretability and explainability, then prototyping and the usability testing, then validation and clinical trials, finally implementation deployment, and hence continuous improvement of the ASD. The module was first one is develop an accurate diagnosis tool, the first module. Then the early detection, we have given the questions down to answer that like finally the machine learning model the final module and model was machine learning algorithm, that is random forest algorithms we have used in this project for classification for an accurate prediction. Then these are the photographs of our project. This is the first page of the project. First thing was we want to type our age in the given input field. There is a box there want to be filled in superfice, and then we'll ask the 10 questions. We want to answer for the 10 questions. We want to answer all the questions whether they were given, and click next to next questions. If you want to go to previous section, we want to click previous, you can go to previous questions, and then you can clear the option also. Then this is the final output. There is in the small dialog box whether the autism detected or not, it will display, and answers are also displayed. What's the answer you have answered? These are the 10 questions, A1 to A10, and this is our data set which we have been trained for our project. This is the random forest algorithm we have used to test and train the algorithm for the first time. Conclusion, finally, in conclusion, the autism detection using machine learning project has realized its goal of developing a practical and impactful solution for early autism detection. Then by harnessing the power of machine learning, particularly the random forest model, and integrating it into a user-friendly web interface, this project has provided a valuable tool for healthcare professionals and caregivers to assess the likelihood of autism based on individuals' responses to diagnostic tools. As we move forward, continued refinement and ethical consideration remain paramount, but this project serves as a testament to transformative potential of machine learning in addressing complex healthcare challenges and fostering improved outcomes. These are the references of our project. We have displayed 4 references, and then thank you.